and a rotation here. And what we can do with here is delete this, and then that's fine. Yeah, that looks all right. And next one, that's the contact. So here, what we do, we go to Y, we'll zero that, the whole foot. We'll select the toe, zero that, and we'll select the heel one here and zero that. So it's flat now, right? And now what we want to do, we want to move this forward a bit, and then the last controller there, we want to rotate that so it's in contact. Around, let's say there, because yeah, we want it there. We want to move it forward. We want to have it a bit lower. And move it forward a bit, contact. There. And at the same time, we want to rotate this. Slightly off there. That's it. Now, what we want to do in the middle here is we want to oppose the hips now. So we've got the hips here, which is 10. So what we want to do is minus 10 the other way. And then the control above that, the hips. Actually, it's not. Yeah, it is that hips. Edit, redo, that's it. And in this one, we want to, it says minus 7.0. Just take the minus off at the start. And it will go the opposite way. Just take the minus off the mid torso and go the opposite way. And then lastly, the top bit, which will go the other way. Okay, so you've got an opposing way. And then you just come back and readjust the legs a bit. Or maybe move this, move it forward or higher. So the contact is straight. So straight there. All right, select everything there, give that a key. Just make sure it's constant. And let's check it out. Let's see. Yeah, see this changing there. All right, now we'll just knock out the other poses. So we come here, because we've done the other ones, it's the same thing. Just opposing, right? So come here, zero this out, move the hips forward, and we want a bit of a bend coming down, right? But we don't want the knee to go too forward. And then here we want to rotate. Just rotate like this. Yeah, and then we'll just key everything here. Go to the next frame, 18. 18, contact. Then we got that pose. Then we got the passing. Okay. Oh, sorry there, guys. The bell just went. My daughter's baby seat. But anyway, let's carry on. Okay, so we've got that step in there. So what we'll do, come back in again. We'll just constant, make it constant. So we've got, so this one here comes down here. Cool. Then pass in position. So contact, contact pose, downward pose, pass in position. So what we want to do in the pass position, we want this front leg to be a bit straight. Not exactly. Have the hips a little bit back. Like that. Then we'll push, let's bring this forward. And then we'll push this heel. Get the toes, push this back. What's that? Might bring this hips up a bit, forward, slightly higher, coming through like this. Give that a key everything there, comes up there. Next one is the high position. So here we're just going forward a bit higher. Rotate this heel slightly so the leg isn't purely straight. Don't want that. Move this forward. Reset the heel 0. Reset the toe. This is what I normally do, just 0 everything out. So when we come here, keep it a bit low, we can rotate this down like this. Bring this down here. So we've got a bit of that going on. Then I key everything here. Again, when you key it, it might spline, so just go to constant. And then the last pose is what we did with the run, right? We copied the first pose. So let's uncheck the geo here. So we can select the geo. Take the curves off. If we go to the start, what we're gonna do, we're gonna select everything. Looking at outliner. Select everything. Let me get rid of these lights, man. So select everything. Press Control D. Okay, and then Shift P. Everything comes out of that group, and then Control G. If you don't press Control G, you can't rotate. You can't translate. See, this gizmo is grey. If you group it, then you can move it. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the end here, and we'll be like, all right, let's check this last foot out. Where is it? It's around about there, yeah? Yeah. So if I just put in wireframe, when you put in wireframe, you can get it exactly. So let's match it around there. So we just want to get an idea, then we can sort it out later. Okay. Cool. So we've got it there. Now what we do is we go back to the start, show our controls, select all the controls, and literally all you're doing now, make sure everything's keyed. Middle click on your mouse, drag it all the way to the end, 24, let go, and press S. That's all you need to do. It will copy the pose. See? It's copied the exact pose. Now what you need to do is just select the feet, shift select, the feet controls, and the torso. That's it. If you want, you can go in wireframe and then literally just moving it to match. So let's move this in here. Let's try and get a match. So it fits really well. Okay, that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. That's it. And then when you go back, you can delete this group where you made the geo and then put your geo here to R again. So you don't select it. And now, if you just play it, here you go. You've got that little bit of a blocked out walk happening, right? That's it. And then, so if you have a look at the start pose, is opposite. And that's also like that. And the middle one is the opposite way. So the torso is, yeah, that's all happening. That's cool. Okay. And then what we'll do now, we'll just go through the keys. So let's check this out. When we get to the next contact pose, which is, so that's contact pose 1. That's the next contact pose in the middle, yeah? Now what we want to do, we want to rotate this forward and rotate this arm forward and the hand too, right? And we want to just put the hand back a bit so it's still kind of dragging. And then this shoulder, we want to do backwards, maybe backwards like that. Have this go back. Oh. And just have this come forward maybe. We might want to just straighten this up a bit. Maybe have this forward a bit. So we've got that happening, right? So we've got opposing. And we've got that happening in there. We'll do. We'll just select. So we'll go back here now and we'll just work on the arms. So I'm just looking at this as reference. So the second pose, the first pose is like this. The second pose, what's happening? The arms are going back a bit more. This is going back a bit. Then starting to come forward. And then into, you can break the joints here a bit. Or keep it a bit coming like that. Maybe here have it back a bit. And here as well. So it's coming up. Just want to get an idea. So as it comes back, it's going back. But we can sort